सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Today's subject for morning satsang is experience the God state with God. You can experience God state only with God. With whom else you can experience? Yesterday some devotee was asking me something like, when I was telling about get into the source of the you, what you feel as you are a reflection. Look into the source of you. He said, you are our source, Swamiji. I said, then what do you mean? That is what I mean. Why will I promote somebody else? Understand? Because I realized I am the source, I go on promoting you to look into your source. If you look into your source, you will know your source and my source is one and the same. Please understand, when I say realize yourself, I mean actually when you realize yourself, you will realize yourself and myself is one and the same. I promote Krishna, Rama, Shiva, Buddha because I know, I have realized myself and their self is one and the same. The consciousness. I have experienced them in my consciousness, me in their consciousness. So naturally, I am promoting them. The consciousness in which the Krishna, Buddha, Shiva, all of them radiate, experience God's state with God. In the beginning, the experience of God can happen only with God. Then your very being becomes God. Then that starts transmitting that experience to others. If you observed yesterday night energy session, I was trying to train 5-6 of the Divya Sariris without me interfering or giving little bit support to awaken the Kundalini energy of somebody else. I was giving the instruction, come on. When that energy awakens, convert that into a word, walk, and release it into the air, so that that word reaches that air, that energy reaches the other person and the other person's energy, Kundalini, gets awakened. The expansion of consciousness starts happening. I am trying to demystify this whole energy science. Still, verbally conveying it is such big job. Somebody asked me yesterday 2 things. One, some CD, music which we are playing here, some music CD, and an outer body experience. I said this outer body experience will be a lot more easy for me than the music CD. Because this I have and I can give it immediately. This music CD I have to get it from somewhere. Same way, doing the energy play becomes lot more easy than talking about it. Because doing is more like connecting with two beings. Talking is like connecting with all the people's logic at a time. Experiencing God with God. All you need to do to experience God with God is stop your ignorance which acts outrageously. Understand? Sometime in the life, every human being feels God in some reflection. Sometime when you sit on a hill, watch the evening sunset, suddenly you feel God present in that experience. Or you go to some temple, see the deity. In a very unexpected way, you loosen yourself and you will see God in that space. Or you go to some guru. You go with a lot of tightness only. Because your family dragged you or your wife dragged you, you go there. Some moment, if you are fortunate enough, you may open up. Your heart may open up, feel connected. You will feel God consciousness in that space. Whenever you loosen up or open up, you will see that space is being filled with God. But your mind is so idiotic, always trying to do something outrageous, agitated, constantly trying to hold on to the identity which you project to the whole world, which will not be useful even for 2 annas. Not, I can literally, if I have to say, not even be useful for a penny. Because if few pennies gather, it may become $1 useful. But if few minds like your mind gathers, it can become dangerous. Why few? 2? No, why 2? 1 is enough. I tell you really, anybody who is seeking something more than the 5 sense pleasure, I am challenging. If he sees my picture or listens to word or one glimpse, he has to feel connected beyond his logic. I am telling you very clearly. See, Ramakrishna declared once, in this age, whoever has to reach enlightenment, they have to go through only through this door. He said when he was in the body. It is true. When he was in the body, all the major spiritual expressions are directly, indirectly shades. The waves happened in the ocean of Ramakrishna. I am telling you very clearly. Whatever may be the religion, spiritual group they belong to, if they seek something more than 5 sensual pleasure, even an accident coming across of my form or name, simply something will be awakened in them and they will see their fulfillment in larger than life size in me. No other way. I tell you, any seeker exists in this era, in the planet, has to feel connected, no other way. If he comes across, he doesn't need to logically think and do. Just his whole consciousness will feel connected. As long as the worrying individuals exist on the planet Earth, the soothsayers and predicting leaders, predicting people cannot be destroyed. Understand, I am talking from chakra to chakra. As long as the continuing worrying people exist on the planet Earth, the predictors, don't worry, this will happen, that will happen, this will change, that will change. In this date, that will happen, in this date, this will happen. The predictors cannot be destroyed. They will have their market. As long as people who can't share love with real people, who don't know the quality of opening up, exists, the romance-based industry will be alive. Means constantly watching in the TV and movie and in the internet, the duets and romance scenes and the stories, but never able to express that love by yourself to a living person. As long as people don't know how to open and share themselves with others, the romance-based entertainment industry will be alive. It cannot be destroyed. As long as people who don't feel satisfied with themselves exist, or this competition-filled industry, sports, beauty, all competition-filled industries will exist. It cannot be destroyed. As long as human beings seek something more than 5 senses, I will be there. I cannot be destroyed. Understand? Every cream in the society, every decision maker in the society is essence or the collective solidification of certain group of individuals exists in the planet Earth. If you want the education system created by an enlightened being to reproduce all the components and dimensions of his very being, become ingenious. Get into N Vidyalayas. Each group which I express now are the expressions of one type of mind, mental setup. I tell you, I am actually revealing one of the important truth. All the people who are successful in the fields and industries where competition is a basic thread, like a sports, beauty, in all these fields, the competition is the basic line. They will have a deep, very deep dissatisfaction and unacceptance about themselves. I am guaranteeing you. Their very breathing, their very space will be so intolerable to themselves. Please understand. Their own space will be intolerable to themselves. They will be constantly trying to jump out of their own space. It's like you trying to jump out of your frame. Is it possible? The other day I was reading a news. It was telling, one guy was giving a press meet. In that he was talking, I never read first pages of the paper because first pages are always about somebody's failure and last pages are always about somebody's success, sports page. He was telling that first pages are always about somebody's failure and last pages are always about somebody's success. So I always read only last pages, never the first pages. Unfortunately, in no media, there is no space for somebody who just awakens himself to awaken all others. Still, society is yet to evolve. As I said, what you want to experience, you attract that kind of person in your life, you will be attracted to that kind of persons in your life. Whatever is life threat for you, you will reach that source. If you want to experience God, naturally it can happen only with God, and the very need that you want to experience will reach you to God, will reach you to intense energy field, will reach you to the God consciousness, the person who is radiating God consciousness. That's why Ramakrishna says, if you are thirsty, somehow you will find water. If you are seeking, somehow you will find Master. You will just see, it will happen. It will happen. So, all you need is retain that need to experience God. You will experience God with God. I bless you all. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express and radiate the eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.